Hello, travelers. I am staying in a balcony room aboard Sky Princess for a 7-night cruise. Let's go check it out. Starting from the front door, to the right of the door, you'll have this area here. You find this card, and this card says, please insert this card to activate your stateroom lights. If you take the card out for a duration of time, the lights will go off in the room. Below it, you will find your light switches. Coming further into the room, to the left of the door, you'll find this hook here. Further, make a right and you will find your closet. I love the closet on this class of ships. Up top, you will find your life vest and plenty of storage on top, and beneath, ample amount of hangers and place to put your luggage beneath. A lot of space to put your luggage. I'm the only one in this room, and so it's plenty of space for me. Here you'll find your closet with several shelves, and you will also find your safe. Next to the closet, you will find your bathroom. Now it says watch your step, so be careful. Step up. Right here is the light to the bathroom. And so we step up into the bathroom, and right away we see the counter. On top of the counter, you'll find your hand wash and your body lotion. You'll find your face rags, shelving with two glasses. You'll find these lamps. Beneath the counter, you'll find your toilet paper, an additional toilet paper, and your waste basket. Here's your toilet. Above it, you will find your towels. And here comes the shower. No tub. So, for those who like tubs, but it is a nice size shower. And I think it's an ample size. And you will find your conditioner and your body wash. So they use Beekman 1802, a really good brand for their products. Coming out of the room now, I remember, watch your step. Here you'll find full-size mirror. Coming into the room, here's your thermostat, and here is the bed. Next to the bed, both sides you will find storage, and you will also find two lamps and switches. In the lamp itself, you can find there is a place for USB, and it is the same on the other side as well. Then you will find your desk, another mirror, a light above it, and storage for your desk. This specific drawer has your hair dryer in it. On top of the desk, you will find your telephone and different outlets to charge your phone or whatever you desire of here. Behind this desk will be this area here with several shelves that you could put anything that you desire. On top here, so they have where you can get teas and your coffees, some glasses, some mugs. Because I am an elite in their loyalty program, I was able to get these complimentary. Another mirror here. Beneath here, you will find your fridge. I was able to get these again because I'm elite, complimentary for this room. Now let us go outside to the balcony. Now watch your step coming out into the balcony as well. And then when we get onto the balcony, we find here we have two seats and a table between it. I think it's a good size balcony. It's not tight to me. I feel like it's room that you can walk around as well. And we just left port, so right now this is the view from the balcony. It's unobstructed. There are things below it, but there is the view here which is unobstructed. So I'm going back into the room and let's just do a once over for you to see how everything looks. So what did you think about the room? I thought it was a nice size room, also a nice size balcony for my 7 day Norwegian Fjords cruise. Just to let you know, that was an upgrade for me. I was initially supposed to be in an interior stateroom and they upgraded me free of charge to a balcony stateroom. A little tip for you is that if you are booking with Princess, and you're not a part of a family, and especially if you're by yourself or maybe there's not a lot of people in your party, there's a box that you can click or you can have your travel agent do it for you where it says upgrade. And if you do that, there may be a chance for you to get an upgrade for free to another room category than the one that you initially booked. And it allowed me to be able to see the beautiful views of Norway on this cruise, and I was so grateful for it. Make sure you go check out those videos I have coming up regarding the Norwegian Fjords and Sky Princess as well. Can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.